Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another Control Freaks review. Today I have the Control Freaks grips. The grips, okay? Supposed to help you help your hands sweat less and more grip on your Xbox One controller. And I also have the Control Freaks as well. I'm gonna do a video about it as well, but let's open this up. See what's going on. Check this up. So this is what comes inside. You have these really smooth. Okay, so I guess you have to insert these. I don't know how you insert these. Let's see. Okay, let's open this up. I'll try to try this out. Oh man, messes up. Like you pull the adhesive off and you peel it on the back of your controller. Look like I kind of peeled it off a little bit, but it's okay. We mainly don't use the read the instructions. We just look at the box. Yeah. So. Like the Control Freak symbol is down this way, so it will be, I guess, right here. Yeah, that would work, right? It'll be right here. All right, so let's go ahead and try this out. This is really sticky. Really sticky. All right, so it's gonna go. Let's see the picture. Look how it goes like this. I'm guessing. I'm just guessing. Oh man, I don't know how this thing goes. Is that the right one? Yeah, Control Freaks on the right hand side. It said it can be removed, so the right is this one and the left is the other one, so that's right. I'm trying to see how this thing goes. So I guess it goes like something like this. Like that? I'm guessing. It feels good. Okay. Let's do the other one. If I'm wrong, let me know. You know, I didn't read the instructions. I just, as most men do, look at the box and figure it out like that. All right, so this part will go. Hell, I don't even know. Let me see. See the box. Let me see. Let's try this. Let's try to do it this way. No, let's try it. The thing is really sticky. Hell, I don't know how this thing goes. I guess I'll go. I mean, it's easy to peel off. It's not gonna leave a sticky. It's not gonna be sticky. But I don't want to mess it up because I paid money for this. So I guess it goes kind of like that. I don't know, but I gotta figure that out. But and look, it's easy to peel off. It doesn't. It's not sticky. So right, left. Well, anyway, I'll figure this out. But this is a little quick, just demo. But it feels really good in my hands. It feels good. It feels like it's not gonna fall out. You know, it feels good. You could take it off. When you take it off, it's not sticky. So you worry about stuff like that. But it feels really good in the hand. If you want to pick these up, I have a link in the description box below. But yeah, these feel good. I like it. I like it's sturdy. I like it. You know, it's keep more grip. And with the control freaks on these two joysticks, I'll be killing people like crazy on Call of Duty. Thanks for watching. I'll figure out how to put the left side on, but thank you for watching.